It's me again, and welcome back to India Reset. So, in my last reel, I told you I have big news, I have a big reveal. नहीं यार, कोई लॉटरी नहीं जीती, कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिला. As a matter of fact, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. My big reveal is my family and I have decided to relocate to India. मेरी मेरे चैनल का टाइटल देखने के बाद कुछ लोगों ने मेरे को टेक्स्ट और फ़ोन किया. You know how your first few subscribers are family and friends and your well wishers. So आप में से कुछ लोगों ने फ़ोन किया और पूछा. The basic idea in all these conversations was दीदी आप ठीक हो, सब कुछ ठीक है, जॉब अच्छी चल रही है, इकोनॉमी बढ़िया है. Basically they wanted to know what motivated this move to India. So guys, everything is fantastic. सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है. हाँ, थोड़े से पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़े हैं. Gas has gone up, but other than that, everything else is fine. The reason we are making this move is our daughter Tara. So, in last 1 year, we realized कि उसकी जो cultural identity है ना, वो ठीक है, but बहुत strong नहीं है जैसे मेरी है. And we realized she needs that, and we cannot give that to her in US. काफ़ी चीज़ें सिखा सकते हैं, but एक कल्चर में किसी बच्चे को पूरी तरह से किसी भी इंसान को उसमें उतार देना, वो तो वहीं हो सकता है जहाँ जिस देश का जिस ज़मीन का वो कल्चर है. So that's the big reason why we decided to move back to India. When we decided, शुरू में हम बहुत excited थे, but धीरे धीरे that excitement also turned into a little bit of nervousness and uncertainty कि ये कैसे होगा and ये सही है या नहीं है. And here are the reasons why. I've spent most of my life in US, more than 50% of it at least. I have a house here, a family, friends, community, बच्चे हैं, I have a successful career. Like this is my home. And अगर इस point पे हम लोग इंडिया जाते हैं, we are starting from scratch, we are starting from ground zero. So yes, it's a big move for us. And then there is another piece to it. Moving in your 20s, when you're young, you are full of enthusiasm, you have a lot of big dreams, ambition है. आप पता नहीं क्या क्या सोचते हो. And then you move. You go there, you chase those dreams, you travel the world, you have a successful career, you get married, you raise your family, like so many things you do. But at 50, it's a different kind of a reset. I'm not thinking about becoming the president or vice president of anything. I just want to know that the second inning of my life, ये कैसी होगी? What choices do I want to make now? What do I want to spend the rest of my life doing? So, you know, my questions have changed, my priorities have changed. So in a nutshell, अब जब हम लोग अपनी लाइफ को देख रहे हैं और इस मूव के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, yes, there are logistics, finances भी हैं, कहाँ रहेंगे, तारा को स्कूल पसंद आएगा, नहीं आएगा. There are a lot of little things that we still have to figure out, but we are still excited to make it through all these unknowns. That brings me to the last point for today. ये जर्नी हम लोग आपके साथ क्यों शेयर कर रहे हैं? When we started this, हमको शुरू में लगा हम ही हैं जो ये सब कर रहे हैं. बट स्लोली वी रियलाइज्ड कि सब लोगों की ही लाइफ में एक ऐसा पॉइंट आता है जब वो रीसेट करते हैं. कोई अपना शहर छोड़ के जाता है नौकरी के लिए, कोई स्टेट छोड़ रहा है, कोई कंट्री छोड़ के जा रहा है. एवरी फॉर डिफरेंट रीजंस, बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, मैरिजेस, जॉब ऑफर्स, लाइक जो भी कुछ है, हम सब लोग इधर से उधर मूव करते हैं फॉर समथिंग दैट वी वांट इन आवर लाइफ्स. आपका वो रीसेट क्या था? I would love for you to share your reset, your second inning with me in the below comments. It could be anything. It could be learning a new language, adjusting to a new culture. मेरे लिए it was climate. जहाँ मैं रहती हूँ, it's very cold. I love gardening. I can't do it all year round because बर्फ पड़ती है. It could be a birth of your child. बच्चा तो बिना बोले ही आपकी पूरी की पूरी लाइफ रीसेट कर देता है. Could be a loss of your loved ones. So there are so many resets. I would love for you to share them with me. And now, to wrap it up, I can't wait to tell you about the next episode. I'm looking forward to introducing my family with you. हमारी जो family है, वो 200% love है, 100% madness है, and the other 100% is chaos. It's a fun Brady bunch, and I can't wait to introduce them to you. Till next episode, stay connected, stay tuned, and stay happy and healthy. Bye bye.